All right, so over the last 9 parts of this series, we've really gotten into the weeds, exploring the engine room of modern radio. But now we're heading up to the bridge to look at the blueprint for what's coming next, a future that's absolutely driven by AI.
Yep, this is it, our 10th and final installment, all based on that fantastic, comprehensive report from Virtualization Options LLC. We've spent a lot of time on the how of modern broadcasting, so now we're going to focus entirely on the what's next. We've already seen how AI is a super powerful tool in radio stations right now. But honestly, that's just the beginning. The real question, the exciting one, is where is all this technology actually taking us? What does that next wave of innovation even look like? Let's go find out. So our first stop is the AI frontier itself. We're going to explore some of the emerging capabilities that are pretty much set to completely redefine the sound, the feel, and the operation of radio broadcasting as we know it. First up, AI announcers. And listen, we're not talking about those old, robotic, monotone voices from a decade ago. Modern neural text-to-speech can generate incredibly human-like audio from just a simple text script. I mean, just imagine having a consistent, professional station voice ready to go 24/7, delivering real-time weather, news updates, or even introducing songs, all without any of the scheduling headaches of human talent. And this slide really shows the evolution of something like music scheduling. We're moving away from those rigid, clock-based formats to playlists that are truly dynamic and intelligent. Instead of just sorting songs by genre, the AI is looking at listener data, the mood, even the weather. And then it uses these amazing techniques like Magic Stitch to create these perfect, seamless transitions between songs. It makes the whole listening experience feel like a handcrafted, expert DJ mix. Now, for the business side of radio, this is a total game changer. It's called dynamic ad insertion, or DAI, and what it means is that the technology can serve a totally different commercial to your listeners on the broadcast signal than it does to your streaming audience. Think about that. You can sell the same 60-second slot multiple times over, which just dramatically increases your station's revenue potential. It's huge. The newsroom is also getting a massive efficiency boost. I mean, AI can take a long, dense press release and instantly turn it into broadcast-ready copy. It can rewrite a generic story from the wire service to fit your station's unique voice and style. And of course, it handles all those routine but totally vital tasks like automated weather and traffic, while even helping to sort and moderate listener interactions from phone calls and social media. But, all this technology isn't just about software and servers. The bigger question is, how does it all impact the people? So let's look at that human element and see how AI is really reshaping roles and skills in the industry. And this quote, this just perfectly illustrates the core idea here. The fear so often is that AI will replace people. But the reality, as the report presents it, is actually one of empowerment. The technology is here to augment human talent, not get rid of it. It frees broadcasters from all that repetitive work so they can focus on creativity and community. I mean, just look at this shift. Instead of a program director manually building music logs hour by painstaking hour, they can now focus on the big picture creative strategy of the station's sound. Instead of just rewriting basic news copy, a journalist has way more time for original investigative reporting. It's a fundamental move from the mechanical to the meaningful. And this is exactly why the human element becomes more valuable, not less. AI can't replicate true creative vision or authentic storytelling. It doesn't have the critical judgment of a seasoned news director, and it certainly doesn't have the ability to build genuine, personal connections with an audience. These are the skills that are going to define the future of radio talent. So, knowing all this, how does the station actually get there? Well, this brings us to our final section, a practical, actionable blueprint for building your station's own AI-driven future. And I just love this sentiment. It's so true. It's not about passively waiting around for the future to happen to you. It's about being proactive and actually designing the station you want to become. So here's the plan, and it's broken down into 4 pretty clear steps. First, you've got to choose your technical foundation. Are you going to operate in the cloud, on premises, or maybe a mix of both? Second, automate your core content with those intelligent music and news systems. Third, focus on the money by integrating automated ad traffic and DAI. And finally, you ensure quality and compliance with automated logging and analytics. It's a really logical step-by-step path forward. Okay, let's make this really concrete with an example from the advertising workflow, because it's perfect. It all starts with a sales team entering a new contract. Then the AI steps in and optimizes where those spots should run to maximize revenue.
After that, the automation system plays them out on the air, using DAI to add even more value. And finally, the system automatically verifies the airtimes and generates the invoice. This whole end-to-end automation is just so fast, accurate, and incredibly efficient. So as we wrap up this entire series, this is the question I really want to leave you with. In an era of AI announcers, dynamic playlists, and empowered human talent, what will be the unique, creative, and compelling voice of your station? The technology provides all the tools, but the vision, will that still yours to create? And that officially concludes our 10-part explainer, a journey made possible by that incredible, comprehensive report from Virtualization Options LLC. Thank you so much for joining me.